Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 24 seed DeCarteret College up against the number 41 seed Hydel High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. DeCarteret College is represented by Zanisha Smith, Jamia Morgan, Chrisanne Ennis, and team captain Kadisha Mitchell. And Hydel High is represented by team captain Delano Cohen, Nathaniel Pellington, LaDonya Hines, and David Edwards. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the sixth match in round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu, and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Hydel High won and decided to let DeCarteret College go first. So we begin with DeCarteret College. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So please, may I have that time on the clock. DeCarteret College Bible knowledge. How many of his friends did Job refer to as miserable comforters?
Three.
That's correct. Bible knowledge for Hydel High. How many children did Job have before his period of trial and testing?
10.
Correct. International affairs for DeCarteret College. A visual clue. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Emmanuel Macron.
That's correct. President of France. International affairs for Hydel High. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Sergio Mattarella.
Italian president. Correct. Biology for DeCarteret. What is the name of the material found inside living cells but outside the nucleus?
Cytoplasm.
Correct. Biology for Hydel. How many molars does the average adult human have?
12.
That's 8. Principles of business. DeCarteret College. Returns on debentures are paid even before company profits are calculated. Is this statement true or false?
True.
Correct. Principles of business for Hydel High. A limited liability can be either a private or public company. Is this statement true or false?
True.
Correct. Music for DeCarteret College. An audio clue. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
We need you to supply you.
Travis Green.
Is correct. Music for Hydel High. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
The deep blue sea couldn't find one to compare to you.
Kirk Franklin.
Vashon Mitchell. English language for DeCarteret. Spell indict.
INDICT.
Very good. English language for Hydel. Spell ecstasy.
ECSTASY.
That's right. Theatre and cinema. A visual clue for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Charlie Black.
Trevor Jackson. Theatre and cinema for Hydel. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Thomas Jesus.
Jacob Latimore. General knowledge for DeCarteret. Which structure stands 320 meters tall in the Champ de Mars in France?
Eiffel Tower.
Correct. General knowledge for Hydel. Which Italian city was buried when Vesuvius erupted in AD 79?
Venice.
Pompeii. Sport. A visual clue for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Lionel Messi.
That's right. Sport for Hydel. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
This is Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez.
That's right. Geography for DeCarteret. What is the name given to an underground pressurized reservoir of hot water which spews steam and hot water into the air?
Geyser.
Is correct. Geography for Hydel. What name is given to a flat area of tropical grassy land?
Plateau.
Savannah. Chemistry for DeCarteret. Which metal is produced from the ores limonite and magnetite?
Magnesium.
Iron. Chemistry for Hydel. Which lightweight metal is used in the manufacture of aircraft, cars, and ships?
Aluminum.
Correct. Mathematics for DeCarteret. What is the perimeter of a square with an area of 1.96 centimeters squared?
1.4 centimeters.
5.6 centimeters. Mathematics for Hydel. A rectangle has a perimeter of 10.4 centimeters. If the length is 2.2 centimeters, what is the width of the rectangle?
5.6 centimeters.
5.6 centimeters.
3 centimeters. And that's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be DeCarteret College on 10 points, Hydel High on 6 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category General Knowledge. The question is, Ferrari is a sports car manufacturer with headquarters in which country? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.